very intrigued na ready for love. What is this all about?
Well, I think it's about time. You know, I've been single for 3.5 years, and any girl wants to fall in love, and any girl wants to share her experiences with an inspiration. You know, syempre naman kahit paano kailangan may textmate tayo, may chatmate, and for me, siguro more than getting married and having more kids, siguro yung pinaka-importante, yung may kasama ka sa buhay, who will be there and hold your hand, you know, during your ups and your downs. So, yun naman miss ko. Syempre, I'm a girl and I miss having that in my life. So, whether my mom likes it or not, hello. Sayang naman ang beauty ko, no? Pwede bang ma-in-love naman ako paminsan-minsan. And I'm so picky kasi, kaya tagal ko nang walang boyfriend. Pero sa tingin ko naman, yung guy na magpapatibok ng puso ko, I'm sure he's out there somewhere.
Chatmate meaning long distance ba?
Di ba uso na ngayon mga chatmates, di ba? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-long distance call. So, yeah, usually long distance. Pero sana kung may Pilipino dyan, na gwapo, hello, kahit hindi kayo masyado matangkad.
Ano nangyari yung sa guy mo no season 1?
Sino yung guy?
Yung nakita niyo sa
Ay, di ba si Mommy nga, akala nga ni Mommy kasi lahat naman niligaw, boyfriend na. Hindi ganon, di ba? Masyado naman siya makaluma. Gusto niya siya yung naghahabol pag type niya, kaya hinabol-habol niya si Daddy. But, he's still there. Pero for me, yun, siguro ready na ako.
Pero ano bang hinahanap ni Miss Rufa? Ano ba yung tinitingnan mo ngayon sa isang guy?
Alam mo, importante para sa akin, you know, he has the leadership qualities. Ang dami kasing lalaki, ang daming babae, pero yung taong ma-in-love ka talaga, bihira mo makita yun eh. Kaya ang tawag doon, one true love. Kasi kung mabilis kang ma-in-love, and if there's love that exists, hindi naman pwede lahat ng taong dumating sa buhay mo, in-love mo na, di ba? So para sa akin, it's more of really getting along with that person, and at the same time, someone who will hold my hand and bring me towards the right direction. Someone who will make me happy.
Is it difficult for anyone who's trying to pursue you because there's a reality show going on? So parang, you know, they're trying to approach you, it's gonna come out on TV, do they back away?
Well, you know, somebody who wants to approach me at gusto manligaw sa akin, they should already know what my life is about. So kung takot sila at private sila, wag na silang magtangkang manligaw. Kasi, you know, I mean, I'm a showbiz personality. We're very showbiz. We're in the public eye. And my life has been like that since I was 13. So, kung medyo takot ka sa camera, wag na, di ba? Doon ka na lang sa mga non-showbiz manligaw, di ba? So, and of course, aside from that, kailangan humarap din sila kay Annabelle.
Yeah.
I won't naman introduce someone to my mom and dad na, you know, na hindi ko feel na, you know, I won't introduce them to someone that I know is not worth it, who's not worth the wait. So, if I introduce someone, I'm sure na dapat tanggapin na niya na I'm not 12 anymore. At, you know, tanggapin niya yung decision ko because I know I'm gonna be making the right decision.
Yung daughters mo ba, medyo nangungulit na rin, Mom, look for na
Oh, hindi naman. With my daughters naman, they're very level-headed, and as long as they know I'm happy, I think they'll be happy for me. So, that's the most important thing. At saka yung mga kabataan na ngayon matatalino. And siguro para sa kanila, as long as they love me, ayaw nilang ma-break ulit yung heart ko. Ayaw nilang makita yung mommy nilang malungkot.